The new 2024 Mercedes Maybach EQS SUV is a future electric vehicle that represents the ultimate in luxury and performance. It is based on the Mercedes-Benz EQS SUV but with more distinctive and elegant features, such as a two-tone paint, rose gold accents, vegetable-tanned Nappa leather, and reclining rear seats with massage function. It has a powerful electric powertrain with two electric motors that deliver 649 horsepower and can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.1 seconds. It also has a large battery pack that can provide up to 280 miles of range and can be recharged quickly with a compatible DC fast charger. The vehicle also offers a high-tech and immersive experience, with a 4D surround sound system with Dolby Atmos, a Maybach-exclusive driving sound, and a four-wheel steering feature. The vehicle is expected to hit the dealer's showrooms in fall 2023 with a starting price of around $200,000.